the GCIT swimming pool where I swim class. Okay guys, so the video isn't going to be that long today guys, because I do have a lot of school and a lot of stuff, so I'll see you afterwards. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to do so now. Like, comment, hit that post notification bell guys, and I'll see you later. Okay guys, so I just got done class. I'm at the college right now, getting ready to walk out. It's supposed to be freezing cold, so when I get outside I'm running to my car. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to do so now. Like, comment, hit that post notification bell guys, and I will see you once I get home. Hey guys, vlogging all night. So I just got home from my swim class. I got a shower and I'm getting ready to cook some lunch right now. I'm making macaroni and cheese, so I thought I'd just give you a little update, show you what's going on. Now I am cooking macaroni and cheese. Gotta love the mac and cheese, guys. Hey guys, remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to do so now. Like, comment, hit that post notification bell, and check out all my latest videos and share my channels, guys. I should really have a coat on, but you know. There's the Finn boy. I want to take the pictures of the doggies in the snow. Look at the queen and the Finn. Look at them doggy woggies. And the dad back in the house. What's up? There you go. You like my camera? I'll take pictures of you. Here. I got this a couple years ago. Ain't that nice?
What is it?
A camera. Camera. Take pictures. It's a camera.
Oh.
Want to say hi to the camera? I'm making a video.
Oh.
Yes. Say hi to the camera. How you feeling?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
You looking good.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
That
very
Finn
fine.
boy. You be a good boy? Say, go follow me on Instagram, Finn boy. Finn boy. Pop up. Yeah. Starting to do a lot better. Dad's over there. Walking away. I'm over here. The vicious pit bull. He's gonna lick him to death. He's gonna lick him to death. Oh my goodness, it's a pit bull. He's so vicious. Is he giving you all the kisses in the world? Gonna kiss you? Is he gonna kiss you to death? Look at that big boy. What's the queenie behind you? Yeah, the queen. Hey guys, so that's about all we're really doing today. It's a pretty boring day. We had some appointments for my grandfather with physical therapy and some other people that came out for him. And, you know, we took the dogs out for a little while. It's snowing, it's really cold out. And I made some dinner the other day. And that's all we really did. So, and my grandfather's calling me, so I'm sorry the video is so short, but I've been really busy with school and taking care of my grandfather. So I'll make another video, hopefully later next week. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to do so now. Like, comment, hit that post notification bell, guys, and I'll see you next week. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe, everyone.